This 2021 Jayco Seismic 3512 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 7, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, microwave, oven, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, leveling jacks, and 102 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Seismic 3512 is 13,970 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.